Today marks the day where I level up my collecting. I guess while protecting myself while collecting. This is just an unboxing video. I'm going to learn how to use this machine and then show you guys how I use it. Here we go. I'm not the best at unboxing videos, so don't expect a pro. I also didn't do a ton of research on this item because I like surprises. I did do enough research to know how it's supposed to perform, so that should be a treat. This is what I got. I'll leave a link in the description on who I got this from. Really nice guy named Mike. That's just a receipt. Alright, so what I got the tablet too because it's a pretty good price for an 8-inch tablet, so why not? But that's not what this unboxing video is about. It's about this, so hopefully you guys can see that. 3 wand set. It's a Sigma Metalytics metal tester. The Mini Pro PMV Pro Mini. Got a quick start guide right there. Here's it. Looks a little scratched up, but this bag is sealed. Anyway, this is what it looks like fresh out the box. I guess I just get lucky with scratched up stuff. Maybe it's from testing, but you can see some wear on the feet right there. That's what I got. Here's the little plastic thing you put in the back here to permanently set to a depth for testing coins. Comes with a quick start owner's manual. I got the 3 wand set. I'll take those out in a minute. Came with the charger and charger cable. So set this back down right here. It's in a Ziploc bag. Charger is brand new. Can't argue that. The wands. Also in a Ziploc bag. And I don't see any signs of use on the whatchamooties AV plugs. I don't know, headphone jack we'll call it, because that's what it looks like. So I got the 3 wand kit, charger. This is the actual unit. I already showed that off pretty good. There's a coin under here. I don't know how well you can see it. That's the coin. I imagine it's to calibrate the unit and whatnot. So we're going to sit there aside just so you guys can see it one more time. This is it compared to my hand. This is it compared to an Amazon remote. So it is very small. The case is quite large, but in retrospect to things, it's again pretty small, being a precious metal tester. So I guess on the same video, maybe some of you guys are wondering what this is about. the tablet. I haven't seen many unboxing videos with the tablet, but you get a Lenovo Tab M8 HD. I don't know how good that is. Maybe I should have left this clear packaging on in case I want to sell it. This is it. Slide that like that. I'm just going to slide it out a little bit. So this is the tablet. The back seems to be aluminum or some type of metal. Looks really clean. There's a decent bezel right there, you can see it. But all in all, it feels heavy. Heavy is probably good. I'm not gonna open it and start using it right now. I may not use it at all. Do some research and go from there. But yeah, this is the tablet you get. It's called the Tab M8 HD by Lenovo for 75 bucks. I'm gonna turn on the light on my flat camera here. This is what you get. Total package. I got the 3-wand kit with tablet, and it comes with the case. No matter what you get, it comes with a case and charger. There's nothing underneath there, nothing else in there. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, but likely there's going to be a lot of metal testing in this channel. Thanks for watching.